Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of interior design and help you transform your space into a stylish and functional haven. In today's video, we have a special treat for you as we explore the fascinating world of hidden storage ideas. We all know how crucial it is to maximize space while maintaining a clutter-free environment. From secret compartments to disguised furniture pieces, we have an array of ideas that will not only optimize your space but also add a touch of intrigue to your home. Let's jump right in. 1. Floating shelves with concealed storage. Install floating shelves on your walls that have hidden compartments behind them. These shelves can hold decorative items while also providing a secret storage space for smaller belongings like keys, sunglasses, or even a spare wallet. 2. Multifunctional furniture. Consider investing in furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes. For example, a sofa with built-in storage compartments beneath the cushions. Or a stylish trunk that can act as a coffee table while providing ample space for storing blankets, board games, or photo albums. 3. Secret drawer inserts. Upgrade your existing drawers with hidden inserts. These inserts can be cleverly designed to fit within the drawer, creating extra layers or compartments for organizing smaller items like jewelry, socks, or office supplies. 4. Camouflaged wall cabinets. Blend your storage seamlessly into the walls by using matching materials and finishes. This can include disguising cabinets as part of the wall paneling, or using mirrored doors to create the illusion of more space while concealing storage within. 5. Headboard storage. If you're looking for additional storage in your bedroom, opt for a headboard with built-in shelves or compartments. This clever solution allows you to keep books, alarm clocks, or even a reading lamp within arm's reach while keeping your bedside table clutter-free. 6. Pull-out cutting board. In the kitchen, consider installing a pull-out cutting board directly above a deep drawer. When not in use, it acts as extra counter space. And when needed, you can easily access the drawer to store cutting knives or other cooking utensils. 7. Magnetic wall panels. Install magnetic wall panels in your kitchen or home office. These panels can be used to hang metal containers, magnetic spice jars, or even tools, keeping them easily accessible while freeing up valuable counter or desk space. 8. Secret bookshelf doors. Add an element of mystery to your space by incorporating bookshelf doors. These hidden doors blend seamlessly with your bookcase, allowing you to create a hidden room or storage area behind them. It's like having your very own secret passage. 9. Lift-up bed frame. Opt for a bed frame with a hydraulic lift-up mechanism. This design allows you to effortlessly lift the mattress, revealing a spacious storage area underneath. You can store out-of-season clothing, extra bedding, or luggage, keeping them neatly tucked away. Remember, hidden storage ideas not only serve a practical purpose but can also add an element of surprise and delight to your home. I hope these suggestions inspire you to create a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.